the cloud. It sounds invisible and magical, but it actually lives in real buildings, like this. This is a data center. It's a giant warehouse filled with thousands of powerful computers, all stacked inside racks. These machines store our photos and videos, run AI models, power our favorite apps, process payments, and keep websites online 24/7. Every one of these components uses electricity to compute, to store, and to send data. Multiply that by hundreds of racks, and the power adds up quickly.
So where does all that power actually go? A big chunk goes into the servers themselves. That's the IT load. CPUs, GPUs, memory, and storage doing the actual computing. But that's not the whole story. Servers get hot, fast. So data centers spend a lot of energy just on cooling. Fans, air conditioners, chilled water, and giant rooftop chillers that move heat out of the building. Let's put some numbers on this. Imagine a mid-sized data center drawing about 10 megawatts of power continuously. That's like running 10 million watts all the time. Over 24 hours, that turns into around 240,000 kilowatt hours of energy in a single day. That's just one facility, and some of the biggest data centers use even more. That's roughly the daily electricity use of thousands of homes. Easily a small town's worth of people cooking, charging phones, watching TV, and running appliances. In other words, a single data center can draw as much power as a whole community. So the next time you open an app or ask an AI a question, remember, somewhere a data center is working hard. And the way we power it shapes not just our digital future, but the lives of every community, every bird, every animal that shares this world with us.